Hi everyone! Welcome back to Code with Akash. In this video, we're going to understand what a general-purpose programming language really means, and why Python is one of them. A general-purpose language is designed to build many types of software, not just one specific thing. For example, Python can be used for web development, mobile app development, game development, AI and machine learning, automation, and more. Next, what is the main purpose of Python? Python is widely used to manage tons of data and build AI-powered applications. Thanks to its huge collection of libraries, it's also perfect for web and mobile app development. This is very different from domain-specific languages like SQL, which is only used for databases. Because Python can be used almost anywhere, we call it general purpose. So, remember, if a language can do everything, it's general purpose. And Python is a great example. In the next video, we'll learn how many levels of programming language do we have. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along on this Python journey. See you in the next one.